Hey everyone, it's Wendy from Hombli. Here at Hombli, we're always busy developing new products to make your life easier. One of our missions is to make your life safer. Security cameras are a big part of that solution. However, installing such cameras often comes with a lot of wires and drilling holes. Not to mention that due to those wires, you cannot place a camera wherever you want. We heard your wishes. That's why we developed the Solar Cam 2K, a battery camera powered by solar energy, completely wireless and hassle-free. So today we're going to unbox our newest member of the family, the Solar Cam 2K. In this video I'm going to show you what's in the box and how the Solar Cam works. When we open the box, the first thing that comes out is the manual. Next up is the Solar Cam, followed by the accessories, which are the mount, the charging cable, and the mounting accessories. Let's talk about some features that make the Hombli Solar Cam 2K different than any other camera we've ever launched. First, this camera works with a battery, but not just any battery. It's a 10,400 mAh battery, and because of this, there are no wires necessary. This battery will be charged automatically by the sun with the integrated solar panel, and because of this, you never have to charge the battery. As you can see, this is not just any solar panel, it is made using the latest solar tech. The special honeycomb texture ensures that the sunlight will reflect less, meaning that more of the light will be converted into electricity. An additional advantage of the texture is that it repels water and dust easily. It also has an extra protective layer, ensuring that the solar panel can withstand any weather conditions. This material has special anti-UV aging capabilities, making it the perfect solution for long-lasting performance. On the front of the Solar Cam, you can clearly see the large lens of the image sensor. This camera has a very high resolution which produces a 2K live video, so you're going to see every detail crisp and clear. Next to the image sensor, you can see a black rectangle. This is the passive infrared sensor. This is a very efficient sensor that can accurately detect motion. The sensor will turn on the main camera when it detects a movement. The camera will then stop recording. When this happens, the status indicator on the left of the camera will also turn on blue, so that's always clear that the camera is recording. This camera has a small brightness sensor that can sense when the light is too low for normal recording. When that happens, it switches on to the 6 infrared LEDs around the lens. These LEDs emit invisible infrared light that illuminate the objects in front of the camera. The camera also uses a special filter that can only let in infrared light, so the image sensor can capture everything clearly. The 6 LEDs are arranged in a way that 3 of them point straight ahead and 3 of them point sideways, covering every angle up to 5 meters away. The infrared night vision mode produces a high quality video that shows every detail, but it does not show any color. To still be able to see all the colors at night, we also added 4 very bright LEDs. These will clearly illuminate anything in your garden when it's dark outside. In the app, you can easily switch between infrared night vision and colored night vision. There is also a smart automatic mode, which will switch to colored night vision only when it's dark and when motion is detected. This feature is also great for scaring away any unwanted intruders who might think they can hide away in the shadows. The last thing that you find on the front of this camera is a small microphone. This is used for the sound detection function, which will send a notification when the camera detects sound. Using this microphone together with a loudspeaker on the bottom of the camera, you can also communicate with people through the camera. This is for instance handy when you need to reach your kids in the garden. On the bottom of the camera, you can also find the on and off and reset button. They are behind a protective lid, which ensures that no water can enter the camera. Here you can also find a USB charging port. We do not expect that you need to use this port after installation, but we strongly suggest to fully charge the batteries before installing it. After you install the camera with a full battery, it will automatically recharge with the solar panel. Here you can also find a slot for the microSD card. The Solar Cam offers 2 storage and playback options. You can use our cloud subscription for safe online storage. These recordings are stored securely at the data center in Europe, fully encrypted and only accessible by you. But if you do not want to pay a monthly fee, you can also use a microSD card to store the recordings on the device. Without an SD card or cloud subscription, you are still able to see and record the live video, but you cannot play back automatic recordings. If you want to learn more about the Solar Cam, you can visit support.hombli.com. Here I created detailed step-by-step instructions for every setting of the Hombli app. We also included some handy tips to make smart automations and schedules to get the most out of your smart camera in the Hombli app. And that's all you need to know about Hombli Solar Cam 2K. Personally, I've been blown away by this camera. After you've installed it, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Just look at your phone because that's where you can watch the camera feed live. No matter where you are, it streams in clear 2K video. I'm confident that this is a great addition to our camera range because it has no wires, it charges itself, you can literally place it everywhere, cover your property, protect your family, and have more peace of mind.